back to my channel, Talented Coder. So today what we are going to do is some changes in the calculator that we made. So I have the file over here. I have kept the VS Code, and now in the VS Code I'll open the folder cal in JS, and now let it load. Okay, welcome back. And now what we are going to do is, as we have this, we'll just click open with live server. Okay, and now what we are going to do is get the browser open. It should be coming here. Yeah, here is it. It is. And now as you can see, we are going to add a button in which you can control the theme. So to control the theme, actually here you can change it to light and dark, right? Let's do it. So it must be above all, so above this h1 too. So we'll put here the utility1 button theme. Right, let's check it out. There we go. And now what we are going to do, we are going to go to cal.js, and over here we are going to give it a class of thm theme, right? And now let's go back to cal.js and create a new event listener that will be thm. Oops, I didn't select thm, so let's select it and just copy. Okay, and dot thm. Okay, and now over here, as we have the thm selected, let's go down and write thm dot add event listener. That event will be click, and the function will be toggling. So thm dot class style dot, it's not working, wait a second, it's rst, it's not thm. Change this thm. Okay, now we are all good to go. So now th again we have to type, so that intelligence can do it. thm dot class list dot toggle. We'll add the class as wht, white theme, right? So let's go back to style.css and make that. So in that, what we'll be doing, we will change this, right? If we had the thm dot thm bg black, sorry, with white, and color color black. Okay, let's check it out. Doesn't work it. So what is thm? Oh, I see, it's not thm. What we have to do is go to cal.js, and we have to write here VODY body, right? and we'll just remove this. Okay, and go. Oh shit, I've made that mistake. So again we'll be typing non-type. Just copy this. Okay, and name it as THM, and now it's over here THM, and go back down, and over here document dot body dot class list. Let's check it out. Let's check whether there are any problem. Inspect, open the console, and we'll be doing that. I'll just zoom it. Okay, in console, and when we are clicking on it, we don't get anything. So what we are going to do, I'll put CL to check whether console.log works. Work. Okay, it's working. So what we do, document.body.classlist.toggle. Oh, it's WHT. WHT. Okay. No, this won't work. So what we have to do is go to style.css, and we have to cut it out X, and remove this too, and we'll put as BLC, and open it and paste it, and we'll just check it out. Okay, this is the way be the normal theme, and in the body we'll add the class as BLC. Let's check it out. Oh, okay, so now let's check it out. It should work now. Wait, and putting VHT, we put BLC, and we go to style.css and remove this WHT. Right, let's do it. Not yet, still it hasn't doing that. It's blc.blc. So guys, we can do it like this. Just come over here and remove this class thing. Okay, check it out. Doesn't work yet. Not toggle BSA. Okay, so what we'll do over here is we'll remove this body and document query selector, and now here we'll type the body. Let's check it. Doesn't work yet. Right, class list dot add at list. Doesn't work, right? So what we will do is I have a solution, so let's try that solution. So what I'm going to do is body class slash blah, right? So let's go to this, and over here what we'll be doing is document dot replace document dot body dot replace. What are we going to replace? That is known as blah, as we did in the VLA to this dot VLC. Uncaught type error. Body dot replace is not a function. Anonymous. So dot replace is not a function. So I know we have to remove this. We come back to index.js, remove this, and we'll add everything inside a div. Remove it, and after that what are we going to do is over here, there we go, and over here what we are going to do is standard says okay, document not query selector, we select the div and dot class list dot toggle, and the toggle will be BLC. Wow, we have our calculator working at last. We'll just close it. This is our dark light theme. It's our dark theme. How is that? Cool, right? Yeah, this many changes to this. Wow. So please like and subscribe to support me so that I can make more videos like this. So please like and subscribe. See you all guys later. Bye.